Here's a long trade in front of you, traders. Long scanner lighting up the alert on S&P. We discussed this with students before, well before this trade playing out in front of you. So right now, intelligent trader moving the stop outside of break even. Right now, intelligent trader remembers and understands something very critical. Did you know that majority of institutional traders are not allowed to short the markets? Did you? Did you know when I worked with JP Morgan trader, he told me they are not allowed to short? Let me show you why. Please pay attention how crucial this target is. Again, price touched critical level 28.5750. Price touched critical target. If you will ever choose to disrespect this as your critical target, you are trading against yourself. So why is this long so aggressive and so dangerous? It's because bullish rally reached alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. So when this morning I'm asking my traders, legends in the course, what is your success rate on your performance? Boom! 98%. Why? Longs only. Why? Because Brett has institutional traders mentality. Let me show you why. You take a look on monthly chart. This is a market since 2009. Out of 100% traders, less than 5% makes it in the markets. That 5% that makes it in the markets is a 5% that understands. Majority of institutions never ever short the markets. So despite price being so high, this extremely aggressive long keeps going high and high and high and high. So this is where your evolution as a trader starts, when you trade with institutions and not against them. As Jean showed you, it's not about day trading. It's about option trading. On AMD, on VIX, on QQQ. This is brilliant, intelligent trading. US futures, long term, 98% of trades are longs, not shorts. And that's incredible work by Alpha Fibonacci traders. Truly amazing, truly incredible. As Brad says, my humility meter is pegged. Podcast with Brad, legend in the course, coming next. I love when traders inspiring each other, as Emmanuel joking, as David supporting. That's the power of trading with institutions and not against them. Clear on this? Despite market extremely high, institutions continue buying this market with vengeance. So if you trade in US futures markets, one brilliant thing you can do for yourself, do self-audit. Look at long-term Dow. Look at long-term Nasdaq. It's a vertical curve. And when I work with institutional traders and they say, this crash of February and March, they had to sit on their hands. So if you saw vicious institutional buying, you're extremely clear where it came from. We expected this months in advance from institutional chart. Let me remind you. So here's a bullish rally on S&P 2019. Crawler zone until bullish rally reaches alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. This is institutional chart traders. Institutions do not get in and get out of positions every few minutes. Institutions holding position long term. So everyone clear? 3300 on S&P. It's not the place to buy into. It's a place to expect reversal from. That's exactly what S&P does next. Selling off. Crushing and burning as expected from alpha Fibonacci proprietary reversal zone. We identify in advance where to expect crucial alpha Fibonacci support. We know where institutions buying from. S&P selling off, 2400 is out, 2200 is next. Critical support. And when S&P starts rallying from this level, there is no surprise where buyers come from. How many points is S&P right now up from this critical institutional support? 600 points plus. As once again you witness vicious institutional buying. Correct? But it makes a world of difference if you're buying at the top versus at the bottom. Clear on this? Bullish rally extremely high. This was 2200 level. This is not traders. Institutions continue buying viciously. Intelligent alpha Fibonacci trader is not surprised. Intelligent trader trades with institutions and not against them. Agree? David, sorry, have you done any trades? Emmanuel, Jennifer, anyone else? Stunning and flawless work. Thank you, David, for an update. And that's positive, brilliant, intelligent trading. Clear on this? David is a trading machine. Steven just started private mentoring, so did Carlton. Carlton's second week, killing it. This is brilliant, intelligent trading who are trading with institutions and not against them. Boom. There is no surprise. All precise. Stunning and flawless work, everyone. Did we know or did we know that institutions continue viciously buying this market? Of course. That's the brilliant power of alpha Fibonacci traders. Thank you guys for incredible update. More and more podcasts coming from alpha Fibonacci traders. So please listen to podcasts from traders you just saw in the trading room. More and more podcasts are coming. Students care about one another. Students inspiring each other, constantly sharing their journeys, their struggles, their pains, their success. For majority of these traders, it's been many, many years until they finally come to Fibonacci Trading Institute and develop consistent trading success. Trading with institutions and not against them. Every single day and every single time is the only way to trade. That's it. Phenomenal job for Carlton, who starts understanding second week in the course that trading with institutions is the only way to trade. And that's the power of community of strategic, intelligent, quality alpha Fibonacci traders all over the world who are trading different instruments, different time frames, different account sizes from few $1,000 account to multi-million and billion-dollar account. You decide what you want to trade. Simply review the information on the website. Identify the program and course appropriate for you. Currently, we're offering the biggest discount ever with lifetime license of software, live group classes 3 months, and video library available for you. Private mentoring one-on-one. I have only one spot left for the next 6 months. Includes all group classes, includes lifetime software. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. And that means the world. Thank you, Carlton. We had only one mentoring session. I love what Brett has said in our phone call recently. Pure price is the only way to success. And that's exactly what Carlton just said. So if you want to say goodbye to gambling, if you want to say goodbye to chasing indicators, I look forward working with you. Simply pick up the phone and call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders.